के इस अंक में आपका स्वागत है। कॉन्टरफीट COUNTERFEIT counterfeit. Counterfeit is an adjective and the synonym of counterfeit is not genuine, GENUINE, genuine. Forged, FORGED, forged. Pretended, PRETENDED, pretended. Unreal, UNREAL, unreal. Artificial, ARTIFICIAL, artificial. Sham, SHAM, sham. Factitious, 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 factitious. Contrived, CONTRIVED, contrived. Phony, PHONEY, phony. PHONY, phony. Unnatural, UNNATURAL, unnatural. Fictitious, FICTIOUS, fictitious. Spurious, SPURIOUS, spurious. False, FALSE, false. Untrue, UNTRUE, untrue. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है जाली, नकली, बनावटी, खोटा। दूसरा शब्द है कॉन्टरमांड, COUNTERMAND, कॉन्टरमांड. कॉन्टरमांड is a verb transitive and the synonym of countermand is take back, take BACK, back, a command order. Cancel, a command order. Abrogate, ABROGATE, abrogate. Annul, ANNUL, annul. Revoke, REVOKE, revoke. Repeal, REPEAL, repeal. Resigned, RESCIND, resigned. Recall, RECALL, recall. पूर्व आदेश को वापस लेना, पूर्व आदेश को रद्द करना, प्रत्यादेश देना, प्रतिसंहरण करना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज countervail, COUNTERVAIL. countervail is a verb transitive and the synonym of countervail is valence, VALANCE, valence. Counterbalance, COUNTERBALANCE, counterbalance. Poise, POISE, poise. Counterpoise, COUNTERPOISE, counterpoise. Compensate, COMPENSATE, compensate. Equalize, EQUALISE, equalize. Counteract, COUNTERACT, counteract. Weigh, WEIGH, weigh. Neutralize, NEUTRALISE, neutralize. Compare, COMPARE, compare. Adjust, ADJUST, adjust. Square, SQUARE, square. द नेक्स्ट इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है के बराबर होना, के बराबर जवाब देना, संतुलन बनाना, बराबरी करना, प्रतिकार करना. Countryside, CONTRYSID, countryside is a noun. The meaning of countryside is rural areas, RURAL, rural AREAS, areas. Country, COUNTRY, country. Green belt, GREENBELT, green belt. Scenery, SCENERY, scenery. Panorama, PANORAMA, panorama. Landscape, LAND, land, SCAPE, escape. View, VIEW, view. Outdoors, OUTDOORS, outdoors. Farmland, FARMLAND, farmland. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है गांव का स्थान, गांव का क्षेत्र, देहात, ग्रामीण क्षेत्र. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज covenant, COVENANT, covenant. Covenant is a noun and the synonym of covenant is agreement, AGREEMENT, agreement. Contract, CONTRACT, contract. Treaty, TREATY, treaty. Bond, BOND, bond. Deal, DEAL, deal. Compact, COMPACT, compact. PACT, pact. PLEDGE, plays. Bargain, BARGAIN, bargain. Promise, PROMISE. promise, concordant, concordat, concordat, convention, 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 commitment, 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 stipulation, 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 मीनिंग इन हिंदी समझौता, एकरारनामा, प्रसंविदा, प्रतिज्ञापत्र, अभिमोचन। The next word is coxcomb, coxcomb, coxcomb. Coxcomb is a noun and the synonym of coxcomb is dandy, 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 fop, fop, dud, dude, beau, beau, puppy, puppy, idler, idler, loafer, 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 longer, loungr, longer, trifler, 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 humbug, 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 imposter, 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 pretender, pretender, pretender। इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है छैला, बना ठाना व्यक्ति, अभिमानी व्यक्ति, घमंडी व्यक्ति, बहानेबाज, लोफर। This is all about today's glossary and notes. Thanks. Regards.